Good morning students, welcome all of you. I am Poonam Gidwani, your EVS teacher, and today we will continue our third chapter, that is games. In previous parts of this chapter, we have already discussed about Kabaddi, Mardadi, Pakda Pakdi. We have discussed about the captain, Kabaddi raid, court and so many things. And today we will discuss some indoor games, some outdoor games and so many things. So let's start the chapter. You must have seen many games. It's right, हमने बहुत सारे games देखे हैं and in this chapter also we have discussed so many games. Before starting to play, players perform the warm-up activities such as yoga, light exercise, etc. So students, we have earlier discussed what is the meaning of warming up. Warming up raises our body temperature and it means to prepare our body to do sports or activity and to prevent injury. क्या फ़ायदे होते हैं वार्मिंग अप के? इट मिनिमाइज द स्ट्रेस ऑन आवर हार्ट एंड आवर मसल्स आर वेल सप्लाइड विद ऑक्सीजन्स एंड इट प्रिवेंट इंजरीज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वार्मिंग अप इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी. किसी भी गेम को खेलने से पहले जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो वार्म अप एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. एज यू कैन सी इन दीज पिक्चर्स, दे आर परफॉर्मिंग warm-up activities and some of the examples are yoga, skipping, jogging, squats, stretching and so many things. Okay students, you can see in this picture these children are performing warming up activities so that they can prepare their muscles and joints and they can prevent injuries. So students, now let's discuss indoor games. You play many games at home and the games which are played inside are called indoor games, and these games demand intellectual strength or mental strength and there is no interference of weather like wind, rain, etc. And to play these games, no requirement of playground. For example, snake and ladder and carom and so many games. Okay students, here you can see the picture of snake and ladder जिसको हम बोलते हैं सांप सीढ़ी. क्या आपने कभी खेला है ये गेम? And one more example is carom. So students, let's discuss about the material. कैरम खेलने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? 1 striker and 19 carom coins. 19 क्यों? 8 black coins or we can say carom men, 8 white coins and 1 red coin, और वो 1 red coin उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Queen. And the interesting thing about this game is इस गेम में king नहीं होता, only queen होती है. So red coin is called queen and we need 8 black, 8 white coins and 1 striker. So students, these are the examples of indoor games. Some games are played outside in the street or the colony, example hide and seek, sitolia, etc. And there are some games which can be played in streets, जिसे हम गली मोहल्ले में भी खेल सकते हैं. We have earlier discussed in our exercise. Okay student, and some examples are, as you can see in this picture, children are playing hide and seek. Hide and seek student जिसे हम कहते हैं छुपम छुपाई या लुका छुपी. Have you ever played this game? I love this game and I have also played this game when I was a child. One more example is here, सितोलिया जिसे हम कहते हैं पिट्ठू, और ये एक ट्रेडिशनल गेम है. दिस इज़ अ ट्रेडिशनल गेम और हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? वी जस्ट नीड a ball and 7 flat stones or wooden blocks. Okay students, and as you can see in this picture, all these children are playing sitolia or we can say pittu. And some games require big grounds. कुछ गेम्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके लिए हमें बड़ा प्लेग्राउंड चाहिए होता है. For example, cricket, football and badminton. Here are some pictures for you. Children are playing football here, here they are playing cricket and here they are playing badminton. So these games required a court or a playground. So students, games develop the spirit of cooperation. गेम से क्या आता है, हमारे अंदर cooperation की spirit आती है. We cooperate each other while playing games and keep our mind and body healthy. और गेम से हमारा mind ही नहीं, हमारी body भी healthy रहती है. And we have already discussed that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Now let's do some exercise. Which games do you play in your house? कौन से games खेलते हैं हमारे घर के अंदर? We have just discussed it. So try to answer. Yes, and the examples are snake and ladder, जिसे हम बोलते हैं सांप सीढ़ी, कैरम, लूडो, चेस, and there are so many examples. आप अपनी तरफ से भी examples लिख सकते हैं. And the second question is, which games do you play outside the house? Wow, that's a nice question. इसको हमने अभी अभी किया है. We can easily give the answer, and the answer is hide and seek, सितोलिया, मारदड़ी, खो-खो, गिल्ली डंडा, etc. And students, in this chapter we have already discussed मारदड़ी. आपको याद है हमने मारदड़ी की बात की थी. We need a ball of cloth for this, right students? And hide and seek, जिसे हम बोलते हैं छुपम छुपाई या लुका छुपी. सितोलिया अभी अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था. We need a ball and 7 round flat stones or wooden blocks. Okay students, so all these are the examples of the games which can be played outside our house. And the next question is, which games require playgrounds? ऐसे कौन से games हैं जिनके लिए हमें playground चाहिए होता है? We have discussed it, and the answer is cricket, football, badminton, kabaddi, volleyball and hockey. ये सारे के सारे games खेलने के लिए हमें playground चाहिए होता है. So students, now let's summarize what we have learned in this chapter. Games are played for entertainment and exercise. It is very true. Games gives us happiness, joy, and it also includes exercise of our body, right? Games keeps the mind and body healthy. हमारा mind ही नहीं, हमारी body भी healthy रहती है. We have already discussed it. Some games are played inside the house. अभी अभी हमने हमारे एक्सरसाइज में बात की थी. कुछ गेम्स हम घर के अंदर खेलते हैं, कैरम, लूडो, चेस and snake and ladder. Some in streets like मारदड़ी, सितोलिया, and some are played in grounds like cricket, football, volleyball, hockey, etc. Right students? Warm-up activities are performed before starting the game, and each game has its rules. So students, we have discussed about warming up activities like yoga, stretching, squats, jogging, skipping and so many things, right? And each game has its rule and we will have to follow the rules. हमें games के rule follow करने ही पड़ते हैं. Games develop the spirit of goodwill and cooperation among the players, and we develop a spirit of goodwill. Goodwill means friendly feelings, helpful feelings and feelings of cooperation among the players. So all these are the advantages of games. Here are some more advantages. Weakness is removed by games. Yes, it's true. We can remove our stress, our weakness, our tension and so many things by the games. Beauty and health are brought by games. We become beautiful, we become healthy because of games. Mind get active by the games. Students, earlier we have discussed that some games requires intellectual or mental strength, so our mind gets active by the games and skills are developed by the games. We can develop many skills by the games. बहुत सारी हमारी skills develop होती हैं and color, race differences are forgotten in the games. जब हम गेम्स खेलते हैं तब हम भूल जाते हैं सामने वाले का कलर कैसा है, वो कौन सी जाति का है, एंड देर आर सो मैनी डिफरेंसेस दैट आर फॉरगॉटन इन द गेम्स. गेम्स खेलते खेलते हम सारी चीज़ें भूलने लग जाते हैं एंड वी जस्ट कंसंट्रेट ऑन आर गेम. ऑल आर एम्ब्रेस्ड इन द गेम्स. और ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें हमें किससे मिलती हैं? गेम से मिलती हैं. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. आई होप you have learned this chapter and this is an interesting chapter. So students, now we will meet in our next video and we'll start a new chapter. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.